Guys, we're gonna play Tornado Siren Tester. First, that was so loud. Bro, what was that? What was that? Is there any hurricanes in here? You guys are scaring me. Where's the hurricane? Hey, there's a hurricane. Here it is. Whoa, this looks good. Whoa, do you see that? That's the hurricane, my favorite siren. New test alert. You can hear the hurricane. Guys, it's too loud. You see that hurricane right there? See the hurricane? Tornado. You can hear the hurricane right there. You can hear it. It's cool. By the way, there's an RSH-10. That's also one of my favorite sirens. And the RM-130 and the T-128. That's kind of. Hey, what's that? This goes the ACAP-50. Yeah, you can see that's the ACAP-50 and the Cyclone. They're the same, but different style. See what there? The AC-50 is one of my favorite sirens. And also the what are particles? Okay, that's my favorite siren. RSH-10 beam. Alert. See the disc is moving. Model B. That's supposed to be a mobile directo. And I found an alerter right here. Alerter. And did you know an alerter is like a twin siren of the mobile directo. Oh, there you can see it. You can hear it. Let's do it. Yeah, I want to hear it again. Well, you can see it. Hey! I want to see it! Yeah, you can hear it there. It's cool. My favorite siren. First time testing in Roblox! Yes! I've never seen a siren testing in Roblox. But actually, I have already. Wow. That's cool. So bye guys.